Hey collectors, here is a look at Leech from She-Ra Princess of Power cartoon series and under the cartoon collection line of Mattel. At the back of the card, there is a scene from the episode Into Etheria wherein Leech is giving Bo a facial massage. And the instruction indicates that Leech can be stuck to a mirror because of the suction cups on his hands and his feet. Plus, this is the list of the other characters with this wave. Out of the card, Leech comes with a mini comic book titled Onslaught to Snake Mountain, and here he is on his plastic tray, and there is also a blaster included with this figure, and it's not indicated on the instruction part at the back side of the card. Again, if you want to get the figure safely out of the plastic tray, cut the plastic strips that secures it to the tray at the back to avoid damaging the figure. And here is Leech out of the plastic tray due to the size of his head and a little bit of elevation from the form of his feet. He stands around 6 inches. Here is the backside of Leech, and I am trying to find the strap or some kind of peg hole if this is an external armor, but it seems that Mattel made a body specifically for this figure. And I don't know if you can take this up, but I don't want to risk it, even though this figure, all of them can be disassembled. The figure can do some simple action poses without any action figure support or stand because of how wide the feet are. Unfortunately, because there are no tilts on the ankles, you cannot put him in some poses where you are required to tilt your ankle. He will just keep falling down. Also, a reminder that he could stick to surfaces like mirror or the doors of your ref. But because of how heavy this figure is, he will probably pop out of it and fall down. So if you value your figure, I suggest not attempting putting him on the door of your refs. I wish Mattel made an articulated jaw so we could close his mouth. Aside from lacking the normal hands and feet, this figure also lacks height. And for size comparison, here he is with Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit and Batman from the Dark Knight Trilogy films by Modoking Model Kit. With the battle damage C3PO from The Empire Strikes Back 2-pack box set with Chewbacca, Star Wars Black Series, and Steve Rogers Worthy Cap from the MCU, both figures by Hasbro. With Saitama from One Punch Man anime series by Dasin Toys and Vash the Stampede from Trigun anime series by Jazzwares. With Skeletor and He-Man from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And finally with Catra and Grislor from She-Ra Princess of Power cartoon series, both figures by Mattel under Cartoon Collection line. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.